Welcome to the Spread Hunter Daily Safari for the last day of the third quarter of 2018. The last trading day, it's September 28th. I wanted to just update you on some bear spreads that people are doing in Spread Hunter. They're long-term dated spreads, and then we talked a little bit about Tesla on the last recording. And now I was going to talk a little bit about Facebook, but it seems that every time I go to talk about these things, they're getting slammed. So what I was going to look at, and what we're going to look at now, is the Facebook spreads. I only went out to January for this demonstration, and I picked out this spread, the 50-40 spread, which I was going to talk about. Unfortunately, or fortunately, if you're long it already, the spread has probably gone from about this price, $5, the underlying's down $5 today, to this price in one day. This is for January. This is a $10 spread. It's still only trading around $2. So if you're as bearish as people were before the day, you can still buy this $10 put vertical for very little money. And I wanted to contrast it because what we talked about last time was paying for these spreads, that if you want to go out to, let's see, that's going to be 2 weeks from now in October, you could sell the same spread for 40 cents here on the screen, and all of a sudden your cost goes from $214 to $174. And should the worst happen, both spreads will expand to their maximum. But in the interim, if Facebook doesn't go down below 150 and stay down below 150, you can capture this 40 cents on the October spread and then lower the cost of your January spread. So that's something that I wanted to touch on again, because there's a lot of chatter about these tech stocks, and particularly the ones that are capturing all the information, the social media platforms. And Facebook got hacked again. 50 million users had their data exposed. So, and that's to say nothing of the government getting involved in the possible regulation of these things. So if you have an inclination, this January spread is not very expensive. You can go up and go capture this $10 spread for $2.70. You can go down, capture this one for $1.68. But I also want to take a minute to update you on the Tesla situation. So Tesla, which we were bearish on, and we were looking at this 250-240 spread. When we looked at it a week ago, it was trading around $2.50. Now you can see it's trading at almost $4.50. And look at the stock. Stock down almost 43 points today. A massive down move. The SEC is gunning for the executives of this company, and really no good can come of this, at least in the short term. But another spread, this one goes all the way out to June of 2019. And I believe that when we first started talking about this, the people who were buying it were paying under $2, and now it's $4.50. So that's just a little update for you people who are uber bearish, no pun intended, on Tesla. That's all I got for you today. We'll keep revisiting this as these stocks fly around. Thanks very much. Bye.